Laundry equipment is our topic of discussion today, and so by the end of this topic, you should have, rather, if you've taken this topic earlier and you are looking at this class for revision purposes, you must have looked at these few subtopics, that is types of laundry equipment used for washing, drying, finishing, and storage, and I've looked at choice, use, and care for different laundry equipment. And so by the end of this topic, you'll be able to identify the laundry equipment and choose, use, and care for different laundry equipment. So make sure if you get the Home Science application, under this application you'll find topical questions under the topic laundry equipment. You can try them to know, or rather to gauge whether you've actually grasped concepts under this topic. See you in our next class.